Hey YouTube, so I decided to make this travel video real quick. We are headed up to Pennsylvania. This is Virginia. A lot of people haven't seen the area that we live in and what Virginia looks like, I guess. This is like in the area around our house. We do not have our trailer with us right now. It is up in Pennsylvania and we're going up to Boon Dock with it. That means like camp without being in a campground and typically without hookups and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, so we are going up there, and you're going to get to see where we do our winter camping at. Normally we have a seasonal campsite that we use for camping in the wintertime, so this is a secret Boon Docking location that we have. And some people will immediately know where this is, and they know the secret, and some people will not know where this is, and it will still remain a secret, I guess. So anyway, so this is it. This is where our camper lives in the wintertime typically, and we come up here and go to AOA and Roush Creek during the wintertime, and we have this wonderful boondocking location. Thank you very much for allowing us to use it. And so here it is. This is our trailer. Some people have seen it before, like at the campground obviously, or in the videos at URE. And it's all leveled out, and we have this wonderful view of a neighbor's yard. And this is our setup. We have electrical plug-in because we can plug into the house, and then if we need anything else, we just go inside. We don't do water or anything like that because it was just straight winter camping. Obviously, I filmed this in late November because there's no snow on the ground yet, but it'll be going back up there in basically a few days. By the time you see this, it'll be back up in Pennsylvania, in this super awesome secret location. And here we are. So we're picking it up right now to actually take it back, and we kind of had a little issue on the way back. As you saw, we broke our gray tank. You probably read that in the title slide. So I slowed down like the footage of us leaving with the trailer, and we're actually taking it back to Virginia at this point. So all that Roush footage that you saw was like the in-between of while we were up here. And if you look really, really carefully at the slow-mo when I pull out, you'll see that the gray tank actually hits the ground because I was being like not very careful right about there. And you can actually see the pipe like pop out. Yeah, you don't want to do that. You want to be very, very careful with that gray tank. And yeah, here is us de-winterizing part of the trailer. And when I say de-winterizing, it's because the antifreeze came out of the trailer. So yeah, here it is. Don't do that, but it's actually a pretty easy fix.
Hey YouTube, so we bumped the bottom of the trailer on the way back from boondocking in Pennsylvania, and we obviously broke the gray tank. As you saw, we didn't break the whole tank, we broke the pipe to the tank, and apparently this is a very common thing to do. So the trick on getting it fixed is you can take it to a dealer or whatever and have them fix it, or you can fix it yourself. It's as hard as like fixing like regular household plumbing pipe. Basically you look to see where you broke it at. You figure out if you need like an elbow or a straight piece. You go to Lowe's, you buy the elbow or the straight piece. Then you cut off the existing broken pipe, and then you just glue on the new pipe. You want to sand it down and everything, and do everything you normally do. When I say sand it down, like get the rough edges off so it fits all nicely together and tight. And then you just glue it just like you would glue home piping, but the only difference is you use special glue. And it's in the plumbing section. It's an Oatly brand in Lowe's, and you want to buy the one that says that it connects ABS, which is what the that black material is. That is a piping that they made for the trailer, to PVC. PVC is what you're purchasing at Lowe's. PVC is actually stronger than the ABS, and so you're actually kind of doing an upgrade by switching it from ABS to PVC. I'm going to try to sneak down here between these cars. Cars keep coming by, so you can see exactly what we repaired. So here you go. You can see good as new. So when you buy the piping at Lowe's, it's going to be white. You just spray paint it black, and it's all good. So that's all you have to do. So if you do mistakenly hit something a little bit lower than you expect, pretty simple fix. I think it was maybe like $10 or $20, like worth of like buying the glue, buying some pipe. But now I have the glue. If I ever do it again, I can glue together. But once again, make sure you buy the right glue. Buy the glue that says it's specifically for ABS and PVC, so you can bind the two different types of piping together. You can have some issues, I guess, if you just use the regular PVC only glue and try to bind that to ABS. It may not work so good. So here's our trailer. I'll just like do a quick walk around so you can see it in Virginia. And here it is all hooked up. We're sitting here and we are getting ready to head out on another trip in a few days. I have to get the Jeep inspected, and I have to get the roof of the trailer inspected while we're down here, and then we'll head up and do some more boondocking. So thanks, and have a wonderful day.